Tired of Plaid giving you the cold shoulder, and you're trying to link your bank account? Plaid's designed to make connecting your bank to apps seamless, but sometimes things go sideways. Thankfully, you've got options, so let's dive into bypassing those Plaid roadblocks. First, explore manual verification. Most apps offer this alternative. Look for options like verify manually or enter bank details manually, typically found when Plaid fails. This usually involves inputting your bank name, routing number, and account number directly, double-checking each digit to avoid errors. Some apps will then send micro deposits, small amounts under $1, to your account. It may take 1 to 3 business days. Once you spot those deposits, return to the app and confirm the exact amounts to verify your account. If Plaid continues to be problematic, try these troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your bank is actually supported by Plaid. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can disrupt the verification process. Clear the app's cache and data, which removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Then try again. Still stuck? Contact the app's customer support. They can offer specific guidance or alternative verification methods. And there you have it. You're now equipped to navigate Plaid's hurdles and keep your financial apps connected.